probably later this week. How are you doing? Hopefully you're still enjoying your summer vacation. We are, and we're supplying your summer soundtrack to it. Especially tonight, when we're dancing at Harry's Ocean View Bar and Grill. More of our favorite spreads coming up on WIBGFM 94.3.
Oh, it's right here.
Anywhere.
I'm like, where is it?
To Whippage 94.3 at WIBG.com. Powered by the Cape May County Department of Tourism. Escape to the Jersey.
All right, you walk New Jerseyers. Here we are in Atlantic City. You can see the Caesars right here. And we're going to visit the Bass Pro Shops, Outpost. Is it odd to have a Bass Pro Shop in the middle of Atlantic City? Maybe. But it's part of the revitalization that happened here a few years ago. So we'll take a look. That is cool. You definitely feel like you're not in Kansas anymore. That's really cool. Hi there. I was just looking. Thank you. No, but probably not. But I'll hold on to it.
Work up to 50.
All right, thank you. Thanks so much.
Get a free hat just for trying.
Oh,
Pretty nice with that hat.
thank you.
Welcome in.
This place is huge. I forgot how big this is. We were here a few years ago. So all types of sporting gear and things everywhere. And clothes and stuff. But what we like to go to see is the fish tanks. Let's go see some fish. I don't know what the difference is, the Bass Pro Shops versus Cabela's, but there's a lot of Cabela branded stuff here. So I don't know, it's the same company, I guess. Oh wow. So I guess these are some fish you might see in the area. New Jersey. New Jersey's more than just, you know, the urban areas. The shore, there's mountains, there's all so much, and fishing and wildlife. Come take a look yourselves. And then we have a bear up there looking down, and all these type of fish. Can any of you guys name the fish? I'm not that good into fish, but lots of different kind of fish.
You're gonna put that on there?
Yeah. It's raining inside a little bit. I think it's the waterfall. Pretty cool. Alright. We're gonna go take a look around. Again, the entrance is so impressive. We're gonna go take a look and see what. Which way? All right. Here's fishing. Just a quick. This is not a tour of any kind, but just want to show you. The one end is like boating, clothes, fishing and marine. We're gonna go upstairs. We're going up the waterfall, right? Yep. And check out some hunting stuff and camping. And there's a moose right there. Do you see him? How many animals can you see in this area? So we're gonna actually head upstairs. Here we go. It's like a, it's kind of like an attraction, you could say, even though it's just a store, but it's fun. And it happens to be a little bit overcast down here on the on the shore this weekend. So gives you an idea. Wow. Okay, let's take a look. Some more clothes. Some birds. I'm not sure what that is, a young bear? Maybe. Let's take a look. Here we go. A lot of hunting stuff. So, if you're ever in the area, it's definitely worth seeing. Even if you're not gonna really buy anything, there's plenty to look at. It's kind of a fun day, fun thing to do on a cloudy, rainy day, which is like today. And you have some bow hunting stuff back here. I'm going to take a look, one more look from the top. So it's definitely worth, we've come here before when the kids were younger. It's fun, especially the fish. They do things with the fish sometimes. Yeah, so definitely worth to come take a look. All right, welcome to Walk New Jersey. We're here in historical Atlantic City, New Jersey. A quick trip. Watch the tram car, please. Very historical place. Maybe having different feels now with the casinos era, I guess, changing. But still has a few things like the Rainforest Café, a few casinos like Caesars. Here's a water park now called, I don't know what the call is, different restaurants like Nobu. So we're gonna go check out actually one of the only Rainforest Cafes left in this area anyway, since we're in the area, and see how it is. Okay, here we go. The Rainforest Vibe.
You're vlogging!
You guys are familiar with Rainforest Café. It's an immersive experience. All right, thank you. Rescue the rainforest. Oh. So we've got the last rainforest cafes in the area, right? Pretty much.
In this area, there's one up by us. There's a whole bunch of them. Actually.
There's one by us? Where?
Yeah, at the mall.
No, Menlo Park is gone.
No, not that mall. The other mall. There's another one. No, there was one in Menlo Mall. It's gone now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was the only one.
It's been gone for a while.
No, not
Like
for
about a year ago.
Oh.
That's why I thought we'd do this one, because, and I didn't think this one was open. So I guess check your menu, check the website. We're gonna. I think he was getting angry at me. That's like how my tummy feels right now. I'm hangry. Sorry. Well, normally we're not food critics too much, but I have to say this is kind of like a lunch thing for us, and we're all having like lunch, and me and the missus are sharing appetizer. It's really good, not bad, for like $20. I think it's pretty fair.
Really tender, very good.
And there's like a mango chutney and different sauces. I think it's pretty good.
And then this is curds, which I guess is kind of like mozzarellas.
Yeah, like cheese curds.
And then they have a spinach dip and a really good like egg roll.
Yeah.
So
we're not food critics, but I think for the values there, and everybody else seems to be happy with their food. So what's happening right now is we're losing power because of the storm. No, just kidding. This is the storm here. Every 20 minutes or so, there's a rainforest storm. Yikes. It's a totally immersive. So join us as we walk up the Atlantic City Boardwalk. If you have any questions about Atlantic City, I'll try to answer them, or what else experiences we've had. We're gonna just keep walking and enjoy the environment. If you can't make it down here, enjoy. I thought it was totally closed. Yeah, the steel pier is right there, so we really don't have that much of a lot to walk. Oh yeah, it's what's the guy's name that screams? He's huge. how that screen's low? Yeah, that's it. So, you can't see from here. Maybe I'll see if I have a chance. But the water is quite treacherous right now.
Yo, stop, man. That's not pretty. I literally, that's all I promise you. I don't know.
So, past, I'm not sure what if this was a casino at some point. Looks like little homes, like a little French quarters kind of, right? Like New Orleans a little bit. The Hook. Oh, Spiegel World. That's kind of like a vaudevillian type of thing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, they still have a lot of stuff going on actually. Just thought you'd take you guys with us, right? It's been a while since we've been down here. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. So that's what we do. I don't remember seeing that a few years ago. We have the Bally's. That's a classic one. The Bally's has been here for a long time. Not sure what this is called actually, but it's a cute like condos or something. Right on the beach. Bally's, I guess it is. I'm not sure. Oh no, the Yard it's called. Or that's the restaurant. Oh no. As you can see, it's like a kind of French architecture. Interesting. So we're doing a good clip. If you're bored and want to get on your treadmill, get on your treadmill and watch Atlantic City Boardwalk go by, you can do that too. Watch the tram car. Actually, it's only $5 one way, so that's pretty good. I don't know how much these guys are that push you along. I kind of feel bad. It's kind of like Johnny Rockets. And this is the Bally's Casino. Been here for a while. There was Caesars, there was Bally's, there used to be Taj Mahal, which is way back there. It doesn't exist anymore. So, we shall see. I don't know how many miles because we didn't walk the other direction towards the old convention center. We're walking north, but I could probably put that info somewhere. All right, so Atlantic City has a Korean War memorial, which is interesting. I'm not sure what the connection is here for that, but just so you guys know, another thing to see. So, and to the right we have Coast Guard. Hopefully they're just doing drills, nothing serious. Because like I said, the water is churning up there, right? All right. How you doing, Mick? Good. Oh, let's squeeze in here. Now this stuff is more classic beach stuff. You know, let's get out of the way of the bus. You don't want to get killed on the bus on the boardwalk. That's too many bees. But it is the way to get around if you don't want to walk it. We all kind of walking fast because we're going to get picked up on the other end. You have your classic little knickknacks, touristy. You can get a tattoo here in the ocean if you want. I'm not sure if that's a thing, but you can if you desire to. That sound is the sound of summer. Sometimes. They're around all year, but when you hear that, you think of summer. And all the way down there, you see that world? I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a world that looks like it's falling apart, the building's falling apart. I believe that's Planet Hollywood. No, Hard Rock Cafe. So question, is the Hard Rock Cafe still in operation? We'll find out. We're getting to where we want to be. Steel Pier. If you look on the top right there, there's a big resort sign. Right behind is the Steel Pier, where historically they had a lot of stuff going on. Mickey, what do they have going on?
Of course, diving, a pool of water.
There was a comedian called Nate Bargatze. And he talks about being a kid and seeing those affairs. That's like one of the things that you can't unsee. And you don't want to see a horse jumping off diving board, but you can't help not wanting to see it. So, thanks to the, what do they call it? ASPCA? No, that's not the one. PETA. That's been, which is a good thing. They did good. No one's arguing that. No one's like, wait. The donkey wanted to definitely jump off because we didn't have, or the mule or the horse or whatever. We didn't have a choice. So, all right, we're almost there where we need to be. Are you enjoying this journey? I hope so. It's a bit windy, and you're gonna hear a lot of wind and stuff. But I have some background music anyway. Interesting mix of stores. Oh, that's what it is. Nikki, good point. That's not the Hard Rock Cafe. Yes, another unfortunate victim of, I don't know what you would call it. Just COVID, post-COVID. Yeah, it didn't do too well.
I think it was before COVID it left.
You want to buy it? Who wants to buy it? Anybody want to buy? You want to buy a crumbling building? But it's just fake crumbling. It's not real crumbling. Okay, there's the Hard Rock up there, past that building. All right, so now, if you look to the right here, this is the historical, like, amusements area called the Steel Pier. I believe so. I could be wrong about that actually, but you can tell it's very historical. Yeah, it's definitely Ships Central Pier. So I think that was it. I could be wrong, but it's definitely a historical amusement. Or is it up here? I think this might be the Steel Pier actually. Either way, we're getting past it and then we're gonna sign off on this rather cloudy brisk brisk day. It's not cold, it's just cloudy and windy. What we wanted to look at also was, so we know, as we can feel, that Atlantic City is in the midst of change, right? So what to do with casinos and all that? Well, they're trying to reinvent themselves a little bit. Maybe a water park, which we're going to pass by in a second. Yeah, I think that's the steel pier. How you doing? I think we're doing a good clip. Don't want Mom to have to wait for us too long.
We passed the Division of Gaming Enforcement.
Well, that's good to know. Just in case we need gaming enforced. I wish sometimes when I'm gaming that would be enforced. Sometimes it's not. Okay, so yeah, see where the Showboat is? Right there, it goes up like that, like a diagonal. That's where the water park is, and that's where we're going to cut in. Kind of the end of the line. I'll show my age a little bit. So you see that overpass? That's where Trump's Taj Mahal used to be. Now, I don't know if you've heard of this guy called Trump, but he owned a casino called Taj Mahal. That's long gone. But other casinos have still been hanging in there, like resorts to our left. And Hard Rock looks like it might have taken over the Taj Mahal. So we're heading over there. They've got technology here with the screens, as you can see on the right. We just ate at the Rainforest Café. Is Mom there already? Okay, what was there? Final push. So I think this might be the steel pier on the right. But here we hit another casino, Margaritaville. Oh man. Don't know if it's still a restaurant or is it a casino. You guys could correct me. I don't know. Haven't really checked. But this is part of resorts, or maybe it's its own casino. It looks like it's a restaurant. I think it's a restaurant. Has anybody done the Margaritaville cruises? Well known for its budget. All right, almost there. We're gonna cut in shortly right after Hard Rock Cafe, or Hard Rock Casino. It's quite busy for an overcast day, but it is summer, so. Yeah, it is still here. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I was wrong with the other place. We'll cut through. So like I said, this used to be Taj Mahal in this area. Now it became Hard Rock, which I don't even remember. I just know that this was Taj Mahal for sure. Okay. Steel Pier. Again, historically, where a lot of different type of amusements happen. So there's a whole other amusement in there. Okay. We're doing good. We're a pretty good club here. I can't even tell how many streets is it because they have these Virginia Avenue. I guess we did a few streets, a few blocks. But if you look ahead, it says Island Waterpark. That's where we're gonna cut in. And we'll call it a day then. Because I think pretty much Showboat is the last casino. So we've been in there before. The girls have been in there in the past. I didn't realize, again, Hard Rock Cafe was here. So, a Hard Rock Casino. I know they're in Las Vegas maybe too. So interesting how things are changing here. But like let's go back to what I was saying before about how you can get people back. Shows. Sting is going to be here in November. I would like to see Sting. I don't know where he's going to be, but Showboat has now, I think they knocked something next to them and they made a very, very big water park. So we're not gonna look inside of it, but that's just showing you where it sits as far as the rest of the boardwalk. Should we show them the brutalness of the water, Mick? We can go right up here and just show it. Oh, looks like there's a definitely party going on here. Yeah, so as you can see, there's the ski up here. Over there, people enjoying amusements. But yikes, that's a bit wild. There's a hurricane off the coast somewhere. Yeah, it's not swimming weather. Okay. Okay, so this is one of the last ones, Showboat on the boardwalk. There's other casinos in the bay, but we're gonna cut over. There's a lot of Coast Guard activity, so hope everyone's safe. So all right, so
That may be the whole.
oh, there's a whole workout area here next to this casino. And there's another casino called Ocean. So I want to see if we can come down this way. So I get, like you see, it's kind of the end of it. The water park is in the back there. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. So just a little taste of Atlantic City during the summer of 2025, an overcast day. We're going to head over appropriately. We're going to make a left here at New Jersey Avenue and head down. Here we go. And the reason I wanted to come and take this look is because you're going to see the water park right here. As you can see, oh, there goes somebody. Someone just went down the tube. Still not like, I don't know if this is construction or an event. I guess it's a place where they have events. But you have this garage that belongs to Oceans, I guess. And you have the water park right here, right next to the Showboat. So we're gonna walk right by it. It's on glass. I guess it's owned by Showboat. It's called Island Waterpark. And there you see the people on the I can smell the chlorine. So check it out, Island Waterpark, right next to the Showboat. And we're going to move on to our next adventure. So I know we're not a food vlogging kind of thing, but I've heard about this place, Tony Baloney's, and we figure the next time we're in the area, we'll have to come by. We plan to get a little sloppy at Tony Baloney's. So I'll link to the video in the notes, but a lot going on here. If I hadn't eaten already, swine fighter would have been it. They had the Mad Mutts, they have mozzarella sticks, which are really, I think that's what we're going to try today.
Which one?